Okay, hello. How are you? Assalamualaikum. This is Osam Ali Khan, and today I'm going to show you how to run FPGA and loop simulation. Okay, so for that you need to go to, first of all, there is a video image playlist where you can see how to download all the packages which are required to run the FPGA loop simulation. Okay, so first of all, before starting the FPGA loop simulation, you should have the circuit. You should have the simulation like that. You should have the FIA block generated for the particular block which you want to generate, which you want to implement on FPGA. So I have the FPGA over here. Okay, I have the FPGA over here. Okay, this is FPGA Xilinx Zedboard. Okay, this is a Zedboard. Okay, so this is Zinc 7000 over here. So I am using a JTAG cable over here, which you can see. This is a JTAG cable, and I have not inserted into the laptop, okay, because I have to follow the steps first. And make sure that the power of the Zboard is off before running this setup. So go to the MATLAB for main file, okay, and just go to manage add-ons, okay, and as soon as it turns on, you will see all of your installed add-ons. Okay, so for connection, for setup, we will use this particular uh, package, which is pretty tricky to install, because I have also a video on that, how to install this particular package if you are getting some errors, because there are errors which you face while downloading this particular package. Okay, so over here you need to go to settings. Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay. Hmm. So this will initiate the hardware setup over here. Okay, so you can first of all identify which board you have. I have the Z board, which is exactly like this, and I'm using JTAG cable over here. Okay, so then just follow the steps. Click next. Okay, so make sure you have FPGA development board. You have the USB JTAG cable, which we have, and we have also the power supply, which is currently turned off. Okay, do not connect the power the board until you're prompted or at a later step. Okay, do not turn it on unless you're told to do. Okay, so then you click next, and make sure the power switch of the board is off. Connect the AC power cord. Now you just simply have to plug it into the main supply, and connect the FPGA board to the computer with this JTAG cable. So now I'm going to connect it with my PC. Okay, so it's inserted into my PC right now. Okay, so if you want to make sure it is inserted, you can just go to the device manager and check the ports. Okay, if you see over here, you will see the ports option over here, and I have, let me just remove this first. You will see the difference. Okay, let me insert it from here. Okay, I need to power it on. Okay, so it's on, and you can see that it has been identified over here in the ports. Let me show you. Okay, so there was a sound over here. It shows that it's connected over here. Okay, so let me again remove this. Okay, so I guess this shows in the other devices. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so make sure now it is off. Okay, I'm not going to turn it on right now. Okay, so I have connected JTAG cable, and let's follow the steps. Okay. Next, and then now the main thing starts over here. Okay, so now you simply need to turn on everything. Okay, So power is on. You can see the power board. You cannot see, as I can show you. Okay. My power board is on. Okay. So I have connected my JTAG cable also. Just simply now start the test connection. Okay. Okay. So I will skip the waiting parts. Okay. So yeah, I simply need to pass this command. Okay. Just wait for a second. Okay, so you will need to have Vivado on your on your laptop. So to connect basically your file generated on the back end. Okay, so you simply need to have a connection of Simulink with MATLAB. So I'm going to tell you the command which you want to put so that it may connect with the Vivado at the back end. So basically you need to find your where your file location of Vivado is. Okay, so and simply you want to basically write the file name also, which is vivado.pad. Okay, and copy this and simply go to your MATLAB command window and type this, so that it connects your MATLAB Simulink and Vivado. Okay, so what is the issue over here? Okay, so basically this is the path only and the command is different. Okay, so let me just show you the command over here. It is shown over here. Okay, so simply copy this command. Copy this command, type it out. Okay, let me type it out and just continue the video. So basically this is the command over here. In the path folder you simply need to copy your path, okay, where your Vivado is installed and your file, this file exists over here. Copy the path over here and you're good to go. Okay, so basically it's connecting Vivado over here. Now you can start the same process. Go over here and let's start this. Okay. Okay. Till then, let me close all other tabs because this will take a lot of amount of memory. Okay. To run the file over here. Let me open this and this. It will take some time. Okay, you can wait. So I'll be back after it is completed. Okay. Okay, so basically after 25 minutes, okay, so you're able to set it up. You can see that the connection was set up, and after connection is successful, you can see that the blue light on the FPGA board turns on. Okay, so it means the FPGA is connected with your Simulink. Okay, now you can simply do next, and basically just simply close it out, don't show any examples, and you can basically now you can test your file. Okay, so this is running for 2 seconds. You can just run for small seconds. The steps are pretty small, it is 1 microseconds. You can just run for 0.5 seconds just to test that it is connected to the simulation. First of all, for simulating this circuit, you should first of all generate FIL block of the part of the component of your simulation which you want to which you want to implement on FPGA, which is my controller over here. You can see basically these blue boxes are just for sending data to FPGA and then taking out the data from FPGA. Okay, and the data type should also be matched. Okay, so after that, okay, you can also see that this is the FIL code, which is the C++ code, which will be implemented while the simulation runs on the FPGA, and you will see some results over here. So let's run it out. Let's run this simulation. Okay, so it is starting, it is compiling, fingers crossed. Okay. Might take some time because because I am screen recording, and then the software of the screen recorder is also pretty memory taking, plus this simulation. So let's see if my computer survives. It is surviving. Okay, good. So let me pause this and get back to you when the simulation is started. Okay.